My name's Thelma doing grade 9. I wanted to say thank you for the offense because before the offense was built, we had a lot of distraction, and now after you built the offense, we can study in a quiet environment. Thank you.
My name is Jennifer Mbewe. I'm in grade 6C. I thank you for the things that you did for us. You fixed the roof, so I thank you. And if it wouldn't have been for you, we would have been learning outside. So I thank you very much.
Imagine you want to appreciate whoever donated to the building this class. If we didn't have your help, the pupils would have been learning under the tree or outside, which wouldn't be right for them. All in all, we just want to say thank you for your help. Thank you.
My name is Nalini Mira, and I'm here to appreciate for what you have done for us. We appreciate for what you have done for us. It could have been difficult for us if it was to learn outside. This is the rain season now, books could have been come wet. We appreciate for what you have done for us. If it wasn't for you, our education could have gone low. Thank you.